Hi, if you're new here, this is Info Legacy. We try to make things easier to understand in technology, lifestyle, finance, and economy. We post new videos every 2 days, so to keep you updated, do subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified on each new video. Let's go into our topic here. Google has recently created an AR tool to support those who are out and trying to maintain the social distance. They're calling it SODAR. It appears to be a part of Google experiment, and to get it is very easy. You can scan the QR code or you can use the URL in the description below. Currently it is available for only Chrome in Android, and we might expect to see it in other platforms as well. To use it, simply go to the website and launch the site, and you are through to use it. It's very simple. Just launch the app and provide access to your camera for Chrome and use it while you're walking for fresh air, shopping, or going in a beach. Try to maintain social distance. The tool is designed to show that you are 2 meters apart, but practically people are saying it's more than 2 meters, but it's okay. At least you are maintaining social distancing. It's a very handy tool. Many people can use it in many various places, shopping mall, other places. The reason it is so important is because there are very limited AR tool app that is supporting us to maintain social distance, and SODAR happens to be one of them. Another important thing of SODAR is it is very simple and easy to use. You can have it anywhere until and unless you have an Android phone. So people out there, do make the use of your Android phone and try to maintain social distance.